Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today is the day where I'm going to be going over my Boxycharm Premium for the month of April. Super excited to get it. I was stoked when I seen that there was going to be Herbivore in this box and Natasha Denona. So I'm really excited to see what I got. For those of you who don't know, that Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. It does cost $39.99 a month for this in particular box from them. It is their premium box. You get 6 full-size items inside and 2 in which you get to choose. So let's go ahead and dive on into the box here. This is my second time recording. I didn't realize the first time I recorded that my husband had messed with my sound settings to play his games, but I got it fixed, so I'm happy about that. If you like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with a card on top here. We always get a card with a theme. It looks like this month's theme is Boxy Spring Revival. And then we have a list of products on the back with the description and the price points on there. The first thing I'm pulling out, which I was super excited to get, is this Natasha Denona Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo Cream Blush and Highlighter. I absolutely love the outside packaging. It is so cute, so pretty. It reminds me of Valentine's Day though, I know. But we're going into spring now, so this is good for spring as well. And we have a powder highlighter and a cream blush. So going ahead and getting a swatch of the highlighter here. It does feel like a really good consistency. It looks more goldish to me anyways. But let's get a swatch of this cream blush. This is going in 2 times with the blush. It does have a light pigment to it, but nothing too bold or in your face. I did notice on the back of the packaging that it says Cream Blush Glow Cream Base. So I'm wondering if it's intended to be a base for a blush or something else, but I'll have to look into that and let everyone know how I think this works. This is valued at $42 for this cream blush and highlight duo. Okay, and the next thing is my choice item from Herbivore. It's Bachiol. I knew I'm going to slaughter this word. And for those of you who know how to pronounce this correctly, please help. But this is the box here. It has that on the side as well. Super basic outside packaging, but on the inside, I love how classy it is. They always pick the nicest glass bottles to put their stuff in. Use this AM and PM, 2 to 3 drops gently on your face and neck, avoiding all of the area of the eyes. If serum gets in the eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. Okay, and it says it's a smoothing serum. So it's supposed to help get rid of those fine lines and wrinkles and help really smooth out the surface of your skin, which I like. I'm excited to get this and try this out. It does say it has an alternative for retinol in it. I normally can't do retinol, but since it's an alternative for retinol, I'm wondering if it's something that will work for me. It says it works for most sensitive skin types, so I'll have to give that a go. That serum is valued at $54. This next product here is another one of my choice items. It's from Murad, and it's a skin smoothing polish exfoliant. So I chose this because I don't actually have a lot of exfoliators. I have mostly facial cleansers, so I like to have this as a backup. It's a pretty decent size. This is a really good skincare brand, so definitely excited to try this out. This is valued at $39 for this exfoliant. And then, let's see, I have from Mitchell and Peach English Growers English Leaf Body Oil. And I just love the texture of the box. I love the little extra details that manufacturers put into their products. I really notice it and appreciate all the little extra details that they put in there. But this is the serum body oil here, which I'm excited to have. I feel like you should have some kind of oil for your body to put on every once in a while, especially in those months where we all need the extra love with the moisturizer. It doesn't feel super oily, even though it says it's an oil. So it's not going to make your skin feel like greasy or anything like that. It has a soft scent of floral and also grass. I know it sounds like a weird combination, but it doesn't actually smell bad. I think it smells kind of good. I like this, so I'm excited to get it. This is valued at $68 for this body oil. And then moving on, we have From Denona Organics. I'm guessing it's a hydrating lip balm. It says it has vitamin E and peppermint oil in it. I actually put some of it on my lips the first time I filmed this. And it is a little hard to get the initial squeeze out, but don't squeeze it too hard because I did and it kind of got everywhere. But it doesn't really have like that minty feeling on your lips where it makes your lips tingle or anything like that. So if you don't like that, you'll be totally okay with using this product even though it has peppermint oil in it. So here is this, and this is valued at $20. I'm sorry, this is valued at $25 for this lip balm. And the final item in my box here, which I'm never angry to get, is a liquid liner. And it's by my beauty brand X by Me Black Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, so this is valued at $20 for this. And I'm not really going to like swatch it or anything like that because I am a frequent eyeliner user and I definitely will get to this box eventually. However, I don't want to start the clock on it just yet. But this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. It's just simple white and black. But that's everything that I had for you today. I'm going to go ahead and put the total box value up in the corner here. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.